Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Plants vs. Zombies Heroes, and we're continuing off with the story. I don't know how we're going to deal with that block back there, but we'll find a way. That just seems to be just started, so we'll do you guys just want to do the funny strat thing, which is just sending all lightning reads and everything? I want to try that again. If I see those, I'm just doing a lightning read. Screw it, why not? It's funny. That's what it is. It's funny. Nobody tell me otherwise. It's funny. It's just funny. Just to see them do it. Just full on go. Just so I'm playing that there. How are we gonna deal with that back one? Wait, let's get lightning reads in at least. Just a bit more sun, and then we will have enough to conquer the world. We need the sun. Okay, here we go. Okay. If we get this, we can have enough to buy another one. Sorry, I'm messing with it a Rubik's Cube. Is this gonna... Okay, what's gonna give me first? The tombstone or that? From the puff or the mushroom people? Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's go. I'm wondering what the wizard's gonna do, but he seems like something you kind of don't want to mess with. I'm gonna start with you two. I think you're gonna die soon. You have problems, buddy? Buddy, don't tell me you have problems. We never have problems. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're doing all good and everything. I want to buff. Okay, let's put it there. I'm wondering what we're gonna do about that back one. That's the thing. We can't get that back one. No, screw it. Forget about it. Because we have bigger problems. I don't know what that thing does. Are you guys having problems? He turned it into a sheep. Is that something I should be worried about, or something that should... I feel that's something I should worry about. Yeah, I was about to say, there are like 4 of you on one. I think you should be enough to. I think that should have been enough to destroy you all. Oh, this is all easy. It's been easy. I don't know. I don't like it that he's gonna turn my guys into sheep. That's not gonna be good at all. And there's 2? They die really easy though, I think. You know? Let's go back first. Bottom's going once, bottom's going twice. Okay, finally you died, because that took you forever. Besides, we also got like way more stuff to worry about, so... They're coming through. Okay, here we go. You went for the wrong guy. Thundercloud. Bro. The Thundercloud went for the wrong guy. They didn't want to go for the bucket. I want him to go for the knife. But hey, we just gotta play by the rules this game gives us. Okay, we killed these. Yeah, we killed those guys really quickly. Okay, now let me get another one down. Let's hear it. Another one. Oh well, he managed to get through. Sucks to suck. I just want that thing to be destroyed, but I think they're gonna do another maintenance or something. Okay, we got like a few of them down. See? Have I been recording? Yes, I have. I get so paranoid for some reason. I'm like, wait, am I recording or not? Let me do that. See? Yeah. Easy. Well, now we just gotta show you all the wizards. Which you go down like that. It's really easy to destroy the wizards when you have a whole army of lightning beams. Sorry, got a drink. We all have to stay hydrated. Unlock magnet. Sure. We unlock him next time. Yeah, we will unlock him next time. Because you get him on after 16, I think. I don't know. After 16 or 13, one of those. I don't know which one though. I don't need any more puff. I think I can level up on this dude again. Which, this isn't good. Oh. Okay, let's do the same setup, but we'll have lightning reeds in the back, and we'll have the sun production like right here in front of these. Or my plan. You know, we just have him go right there. These other boulders quick. The problem is they don't have a long lifespan. These guys don't live for long. That's the problem facing. That's the big problem. And I don't think they're gonna give us a whole bunch. Like, I'm ready, just ready for that to happen. Like, one of them starts to blink and everything. He's trying to get lightning rings now. Okay, I got like 3. Okay, let's hit it. Let's go. I'll just let those guys right there wear out and everything. They're not my problem. Am I gonna get some? Yeah. T-Rex. Another one. Yes. So they're like constantly giving you like multiple. Once it turns to like that light ray, I need plant one. I use the plant food so they don't die. Because once they turn that grayish color, you gotta use it. Yep, like that. And I already have a full batch, so I'm kind of really good. But you always want to have your eye on them in this. Because you never know when they're gonna like break through or something. I'm gonna leave that there just in case. Yeah, you can see like slowly just transaction through it. I'll place you down. Place you down. Yes. Oh my god. This level is like giving you all the plant food it needs. So that you can win this. Okay, time to spam this. Really, that's all you really have to do, just spam that. And you good. We don't want to get those jesters close to base though. We want those guys to get far as away as possible. They are gonna do some serious damage if they get close. So we're gonna want to first let those guys die. Which they do. But every zombie does, they die. They eventually all die. I can let that plant food just go out by itself. Because like, look, I already have one there. Don't die just yet, my boy. Wait, they're trying to go. Does that count as a death? I don't think it should. If it is, then that's kind of, stupid. Okay, let's kill the Einsteins. The lizard. Whatever, however the meme goes. I don't know. I started listening to that meme after like a few years. So I really don't remember how the meme goes. Like, I don't know, something, Zorgo. Girl with hair. No, I'm just Zorgo. Something, I don't know. Okay, here we go. They can't go. That doesn't go far, so that's the good thing. And also since it's just destroying them instantly, I think we got this in the bin. This was like one where you had to always keep your eye on your guide, because if you didn't, then you would kind of. Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay, we finished it. We did it. Oh, I don't think that should have been that hard. Like, it felt hard. Like, because you always had to keep your eye on the mushrooms. But it was like, if you didn't, I feel like that would have been way more easier. If I see a gesture, I'm just using lightning read all the way. You can't stop me. You just can't. Go with it. No one can stop me. No one's gonna stop me. I think I can upgrade the mushroom again. Author's challenge. Okay. I'm 13, but before we go into 13, I want to check something. Where is he? Alabinga. Hey, he's done being upgraded. He's done. Okay? He's done. He is done. So now we're gonna just continue on with this story. Because we gotta do 13, 14, and 15 now. Should go easily. There's, if I see so-and-so, I'm just gonna spam one thing. Go, we get just, oh, it's a conveyor belt level, I think. Yeah, conveyor belt. How are we gonna deal with those, though? How are we gonna deal with that thing, though? This one's behind us. I'll put that there. Peanut. Okay, so what is he gonna do? He does something. God knows what it is. I'm using that so that I can stop him. This Grave Buster is really helpful. Can I pick that up? Thank you. And I can just put that there until he gets on my third tile. I guess I'll just put him here. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I'll just put it there. We got so-and-so. Oh, you turned them into go? Why? When somebody starts attacking you, or you see something in front of you, you're like, oh yes. Attack. Right thing to do in this man's whole career. Annoying piece of crap he was. Let's get one down there. I need another Grave Buster so I can take care of that guy. Necromancy. Yay. How am I gonna take care of that? Because there's no way you can take care of that back there. It's impossible. It's literally impossible to get that. So I don't know what the game is expecting us to do. Okay, thank you. Thank you. No, you don't. Push back. Yeah, let's get you down. Let's get one row in the back and then we'll start actually making so-and-so progress. So how good are these anyway? That's my question. Send stuff in rows I don't even get stuff in. Yeah, wow, nice. Okay, let's take care of this junk. There. And my butts. What's his point anyway? God knows what that did. They have a lot of health, I think. I think that's the good thing. They have a lot of health. I take that back. They got like none. I got a few defensive line, but it's like the game's like, you know what, Ultra? You're gonna kill him? Or you need assistance? Yeah, no, you're gonna need assistance. Okay, let's take care of that. That should be dead. Gonna remove it. But then turn into a goat. Which is never cool. Never do that. Never turn someone into a goat. That's bad. You didn't give me another one? Yeah, especially because I lost mine. I actually dug it up on accident. I didn't need to. Oh well, crap. Well, time to murder it. Oh, they got multiple. Not just that, they got multiple. Let me take care of you. Let me take care of you. Oh, you two know. Yeah, that's not good. Stop blocking. Let it go. Crap. I don't want to use it. I don't want to waste it. I think that's what the game's kind of want me to do, is waste it. I'm gonna plant one there. We will not let you pass. There's another row. Wave. Row wave. Well, that's not good. That's not good at all. There's no wizards. I spoke too soon. Just place down anything I can do damage, because they're gonna be passing through like a semi-truck any moment. Oh, they're already getting word. Yep, I know the truth. This is Rick Astley. Doesn't mean turn all my junk to go find this. It's annoying. Just waiting through that would just be annoying. There, he's dead. D-E-A-D. A dead. So now we're on 14. Yeah, this would be level 14. What's the next one anyway? I think it's the mixtape one. I don't know. Make me level them up again. So now what kind of level is gonna be PvZ3? They'll produce at least 5,000 sun. So we gotta be using. Ooh, wait, what? They don't let us use sun production. So you're telling me they want to produce 5,000 sun, but they're not letting us use sun production. Oh yeah, that sounds reasonable. They're making us use sunbeams. So we're gonna have to have Portica. We're gonna have to have having homing thistle, so we can use it. It's been a couple minutes since I used it. Lava guava. What else? Shrieking violet. So there's gonna be imps probably, and then the funny haha bean exploding killing machine. Or plant. Yeah, no. Oh, but they do give us that, so I think it's like produce. That's not the sun. But that's the problem, though. Each zombie's got to eat at least one sunbeam, so that we can meet that said goal. That's gonna be stressful. I'm gonna eat sun, and you better give it to me. Okay. Grave Buster, go. Okay, here we go. Wait, here we go. Charge up faster. Go, go, go. Explode out of sun. Yeah, that's how we're gonna have to do everything. It's just sunbeam. Wait, can I just sunbeam and chili bean it? Imagine that though, like just sitting down and you're like, okay, let's just use the sunbeam chili bean thing. Let me use that. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you down. And let me bring you down. Bring you down. Okay. Yes. Okay. And the Grave Buster is helping me because sun is always coming. So let me put you down. Then I will start slowly and steadily putting that other random junk. Oh, I didn't have one for him. Let me kill that. Oh my god. Why did we do that? Yeah, okay. So we're doing good. That's the good thing. Are you gonna attack him? You're dead. Got a whole entire plane set up and you just ruined it. Get there. Now pop. Go, go, go. We need more. We need more. Leave you there. Yeah. Get that sun. Go, go, go. We're doing good, but it's like we're gonna need more. Go, go, go. Okay. Sunbeam, go. Go. Okay, go, go, go. We're not gonna produce enough, are we? Oh, are you serious? Go. Go. Kill him. Oh my god, we're running out of time. You do it, you're gay. You son of a Snaggler Diner. Move him. Oh, this is gonna be close. No! Don't kill him! No, why? Why? I don't have any other sound production. The game won't let me use any. Son of a gun! That's so stupid. Nuh-uh. No, retrying was... So, here's the thing. No homing thistle, no homing thistle. No homing thistle, no portica, no nothing. Just beans and beans. We're using both of beans. We're using every single bean so that we can beat this. And I will have to use Lava Guava against him. It's the Gargantua. Where's he gonna go? Okay, so you're gonna go right there. I have a bean ready for you. Okay, here we go again. Okay. Here we go again. Bean. Bean. This is really all we're doing until we beat that score. Because we're producing a lot of sun already. Slow, but like it'll work. Okay, where's the next one? Use you. So I want to insta kill you. Well, that's what I want to do so that I can get more sun. Yeah, hey, hey. Oh, we can even do it again. Oh, yeah. Please. Do you put a bean down? Not my choice, but it's what we gotta do. Put you down there. Put you there. Put you there. Lava Guava. You can die. I'm gonna put you there. You're doing good. Okay, so I need to stop that Buckethead. And then I'm gonna have to stop a U. I'm gonna have to bring you there. I should have used the sun ability on him. Why don't we just have the bean guys down there? Quicker to kill. I'm gonna let you rip. Because you already had the sun thing, but I was like, I only do that just in case for emergencies. Plant food. You. Let's get more of the Grave Busters down. Sorry about that, that's just embarrassing. I didn't want you to do that, but it'll do. No. You're not doing that. Can't do anything until he's there. This is the slowest thing ever. Are you gonna erupt? Lava guava. Yeah, no, you're not doing that. Not here. Oh my god. He's sending junk up there? Hear ye, you shall not pass. For I am the keeper of who dare. Do this. Don't want it, it's my only choice. God. Hear ye, he day. Let me tell you of a tragic day. He who's going to pay the price is gonna be your ultimate life. You're so annoying. Stop, go to find everything every 12, 11 seconds. Tell me this will be enough to actually get Grave Busters and then go, go, go. I didn't even have time to do that, didn't I? Do your gay, do your gay. You mother trucker! No! No! Bruh! I made the sun mark! No. You finally did it. That took you days. You shouldn't have. You did. Now we just gotta kill everyone. So, time for Wizard to say goodbye. Goodbye, my love. See you never again. Because you suck up so much. I've never felt happier. If I lose one of these zombies again. Oh ho ho! Things are about to get bad. Finally did it. 3 hours. I defeated this level. Shouldn't have taken me that long. I'm recording. Yes, I am. Oh my god. Here we go again. Another ad. What's the next level all about? If I see you know there's only one step to be done. Where's he, my boy? There's no one else who can play this role except the only Lightning Reed. I have a good and bad reputation with this character. But if you have a whole bunch of them now, oh boy, things gonna get hectic. Because I know that our little friend can't sheep them all. And already you're throwing down the worst zombie in the game. I really hate the Jesters so much. And they hit like a semi-truck all the time. If you have like solid protection, but if you don't, then you're good. Just watching them just blow up like every 3 seconds is just beautiful. I was actually really excited to finish this world today. I actually might not since the level took me so long. I actually have to probably finish tomorrow. Because this would be like the quickest time I would ever complete a world. It's like under 2 days. There's only like 4 levels, 4 things we can do with this. Because you have 20 levels and you separate them between 5 things. You're gonna have 4 episodes of this because it's if you do 5 every time, then it won't that much. But if you do 10 every time, then it would just 2. Which would be, I feel like, the quickest way to complete this world. I thought this was all easy. Think so gonna die anytime soon? I don't get all year. Bring up a rainy. Die anytime soon? Hey, here's that one. That one took ages. Bucketheads in like all the world. If you don't have like 4 rows of like mining reeds for some reason, like bucketheads are like super bulky. No reason. I always put teasing. This game loves teasing me. But you guys not have a problem killing though. You can kill him with the other one. So that we can get. Let's get that middle one dead. That jingle the guy made. Oh no. Zombies are getting too close to my base. I wonder what I will ever do. Yeah, too easy. You can just go on and freeze my army by turning on the machine. No. Your judgment is simple. Death. Fail to communicate, you die. That's what's gonna exactly happen to this video. It's dead. Like that. We get Magnus Shrimp. He's really good against bucketheads. It's that one zombie. It's the metal zombie. It's that night zombie. He's good against a lot of them. But I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.